Hey Frank, here is the GLE. Just want to walk around it, show it to you a little bit. It's absolutely amazing. I love the SUV body style. Let me show you the back real quick. Hold on a second. So this one's got the third row in the back, which is pretty cool. So that's for the second row. But yeah, not very common that these come with the third row, but it does. So show the inside. All right, here are all your controls right here. Get your MBUX system, so it's hard to get the navigation installed. So you got the DISTRONIC, so all the driver assistance functions that show up right there. I know you're down in Georgia, but this does have a heated steering wheel, panoramic sunroof, nice room in the back. Yeah, this is a nice vehicle. So love to have you take ownership of it. Oh, I don't know if you can see it in here, but there is the head-up display. You can kind of see this is where it would come out of, and then you can kind of see it right there at the tip of my finger. Whatever. Let me know.